In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove pre-installed apps programs by Microsoft on Windows 10 and how to change Edge, your default PDF viewer, to Adobe or something else. And all this can be done with one script. First thing you need to do, you need to open PowerShell. Right click on Start and click on Windows PowerShell Admin. Then we'll need to type this command: Set-ExecutionPolicy Unrestricted Force, and click Enter. Now we need to download the loader from GitHub. You will have to go to this website, and I will put link in the description below, and you'll have to download Windows 10 zip loader. Just click on clone or download, and I'm gonna download zip. Save. I'm gonna open downloads, and I'm gonna extract it here. Okay, once it's done, we need to go back to PowerShell and we need to go to download folder. So to do that, you can just type cd ... enter, cd ... enter, and then you can type ls and you can type cd users and ls one more time. My profile is admin, you're probably something else, so you'll have to type again cd and type your profile name. Mine is admin, and then cd downloads, and click enter. Once you're in download folder, you type ls one more time. We'll need to go to Windows 10 zip loader master. We need to type cd Windows and then click tab, and it will fill in for you, and then click enter. And right here, type ls one more time. Since it's created another folder, we'll have to go into that folder too. So cd Windows and then tab and enter, and ls one more time. And right here, we will launch Windows 10 zip loader.ps1. Just type Windows and then tab. This is the file we're going to launch, and then click enter. And in this warning, we're just going to type R to run the script. In this pop-up box, I'm going to click yes to debloat Windows 10. And in this pop-up box, I'm going to click yes to confirm to remove all the apps that were pre-installed. And now it's removing all the pre-installed apps by Microsoft. And as you can see, a bunch of apps disappearing from my start screen. And right here, I'm just gonna click enter to confirm. And this is what I was talking about. They want to stop Edge from taking over the default PDF viewer. And I'm going to click yes because I would like Adobe to be my default PDF viewer. Here's an option to uninstall OneDrive. I will uninstall it because it's installed by default and it's set up on a startup and it's using a lot of resources. I don't use OneDrive, so I will just uninstall. I'm going to click yes. And I will click yes here as well. I would like all of the icons to be unpinned from start. I think I'm gonna skip this part. I don't need .NET 3.5. And it's asking to reboot your system. Yes, it's recommended to reboot your system. I'm not gonna do this right now because I'm recording this video, so I'm gonna say no. And process is done. We can close this. We can close that. And look how my start is so clean, and I don't think I have OneDrive on a startup. Okay, OneDrive is still there, but I think it's going to be removed after the reboot. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do that later. That's it. That's how easy it was to remove all the bloatware just with one script. Thanks for watching.